Okay, we are in Bulwa.
Asa diya man daw ka paingon? Sa medical center.
We are in Bulwa visiting a friend who I have not seen in 23 years. You want a piggyback ride?
Tay, you want to break your back? Your doctor died already. You can make it. Ato pa ka dili tay. No,
Huh?
what you do?
Hey, it's so.
It's good to have high
Wearing shoes.
Not that flat.
Hey. Sorry. Oh shit.
Tuk-tugaok.
Sige, Dudoy ba yun?
Dudoy lagi na. Dudoy is bragas. Dudoy and bragas na, di ba?
I don't think so. I don't think this is Bragas, ni?
I think so. Bragas na ba eh.
Limit ako.
Karing isa, si Dudoy sigurado yun na.
Dudoy lagi ni. So, isa, I'm still thinking.
Sa Kamigin ko na.
Kani, yeah.
That's in Kamigin, big. Mama, kaning duha ka mga isuon ba? Sige, kiyang-kiyang o kuan, ikaw. Kaning ate Nords, diretso ra murag taga diri.
Oo. Kala si North Pole siya. Oy!
I'm saying that Jaja and Ishi are like walking, and you're just walking like you belong in a neighborhood.
Jaja. There's a little horsey inside the house. A horsey? Yeah. A horse? Oh. That's not Uncle Idot's house. Whose house is this? So this is Uncle Idot's? Pagtarong tay. Nga na nalulod na mo di mong kailad diri. Bibi, you stay here na.
Ay, ayun na.
Okay.
Go, come on.
She told me to stay. Okay.
Oh my God. Hello. Musta?
He's like, who's that? Who are you?
Jan.
Hello. Uy!
Good morning.
Ako ning anak, this is my daughter. Which one are you? Jackie. Nords. And the other one is outside. AJ! Come on, AJ!
Salad. Ah, mas kalidad.
Birthday ni mo, Doy? Birthday ni mo?
Hindi.
Nauna pa na ka.
Walang birthday.
Musta naman ka, Doy? 23 years, Doy.
Hindi mo magdugay.
Picture.
And this is my daughter, my college graduate, AJ.
Whoa!
And this is my good friend, Herman.
Hi.
Listen, caricature.
We used to hang out in college.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, while they were in college, I was waiting for them outside.
I know.
Ako ba, ikin siya mo. Big boy.
Okay ba kay ikaw? Ilang description no?
Badli ko na kayo niya. Budli mo lagi. Badli.
You doing good, bye?
Okay ra.
Ano sa ito nito mo si Rudy?
Kuan ba na request ko to.
Bibi.
Then
Ipatubang rin na sa that, babe, please.
Ani Jan's wife.
si Jenny wala giuban kay tora dito.
Thank you
Wala na ba yung
for calling
dito?
me cute in the
Bye.
jail.
This is the wife that toppled my tower.
Where did you get that?
The commander-in-chief.
My grandma's house. My nanay's house.
Ano ba? Ano ko?
Dili ni si Bragas.
Bragas lagi na,
Ayun
bye.
lagi. Ato ni dalo na.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Christine. Oh, Mr. Christine. Lorena.
Hi, Jan.
Tessa. Hi, Tess. Musta daw ka? Yes.
Wala na siya kailangan.
Oh, effort. Okay. This is my daughter Jackie, Norge, and where's AJ? AJ! Uy, Alan! Come here.
Hi, Pepper.
This is my youngest, the only college that ever graduated in the Walnut family. This is my dearest, ever dearest friend, Epper. Her real name is Jennifer, but don't call her. Her name is Epper, Christine, and this is Tessa, Milrena. They are the closest in my heart in high school, and especially that one right there. She didn't care who I was, she just really loved me. I don't know why. Even with my faults, she just, I don't know. A true friend. We've known each other since 1983. Yeah.
Was your classmates?
And also this is,
And we're waiting for you.
you know your Auntie Josine, this is Alan. Alan, muning college graduate, di ba eh? The only bull rat to graduate college, so at least na lang, nabawi.
You like him?
Oh, now. He's doing it again.
I was like, he's cute. Now you know.
Yeah, now you know. Now you know. Nothing's changed.
Tessa is the daughter of our principal.
Oh, nice.
Let's sit down. Musta naman kami, Luinas?
Sige, tanaw sa imong vlog.
Oh, sa YouTube?
Nag-post na sad ka?
Oh, bago lang.
Then I show it to
Ang
my
among
husband.
vacation sa Boracay, akong ginahinainan.
Because I like it kay makakita ko sa mga places.
Mo ba?
Then ako pakita sa akong husband, honey, money, she's dyan. Oh, look at
Yeah.
YouTube?
Ha? JBG Travels, Johnny Be Good. Yeah. So. Uy! Mama, come here. Uy, kumusta? Come here. Oh, hold on.
Birthday niya sa 31.
Blow. Blow.
May 31.
Milrena, this is the commander-in-chief.
So, taga Cagayan?
Yeah, Vanji, Milrena, Tessa,
Hello.
and
Classmate mo niya? High school.
yeah,
Oh,
and this is Epper.
Hi.
You've seen, or you've heard of him.
Yeah, I heard you.
Sister ni Jingjing.
Okay. Yeah.
Jingjing went to our house.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we spent the night.
Gidapog niya sa Texas.
Yeah, nabitaw no?
Yep.
You don't want to straighten it out. 16 na ba siya, Jingjing? Mag-16 na siya sa
Literally, yeah.
Kapayapon sa state?
I talked to her mga 5 months ago.
Si
So.
Jai kay Muhanto sa October kay para naa siya dito sa birthday niya.
How's mommy?
I'm doing good.
Yeah?
Doing good.
I miss you so much.
She's in
This,
Davao.
this is my,
Ang bayra niyo.
come here. This is also my son. You call him Intong. This is,
Ba't hindi ko siya kilala?
sa Intong siya. He's from Camiguin.
Ito daw yung sa
My classmate. Tessa, Milrena.
Pero hindi ito yung dinala mo last time. He's not the one you asked na ano?
The US.
No. Ayan.
Si Nikita man yun, si Nikita. So. Okay. Attack! Attack! Attack na dot! Idot! Attack na dot!
Pabrihan pa mo man.
Oy, Bidjo!
Ano sa budget niyo dyan?
16 we fly out on it. Oh no. We fly out of here 16. Out the country on 18.
Pero, Manila. Dili.
We fly out of Manila for Wisconsin. Amen. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Idot.
Ay, nag-uban mo ang birthday niya.
Sa
Nag-uban
Boracay?
mo.
Oh yeah.
Diyan ka itong boy, mo siya itong nabilin diri.
Pero, nakoy, yeah, mo to siya nabili. Ang eldest na son, ato siya US, pero nibalik siya.
Married na po na pa.
Wala. Kani siya na
Hi, tatay.
No. Is this Esta?
Yes, Esther.
Hala, kumusta? Who's your husband? This guy?
No,
No.
that's the current son.
Oh, my gulay, sorry.
Yeah, my husband is inside.
You look so petite.
Still, after giving birth.
Yeah, well, that's good. So,
My baby is sleeping
oh, yeah.
inside the room.
Ah, mani mo ba na?
Ako sa luwas. Tatay, magikatay.
Gikan mi sa Bulwa, nag-visit mi sa one of our friends na some having some health issues. At dumilikit kay ang mga girls dito sa hotel mangihi. Grabe di gid matabang nila nga.
Ako mo nag-stay tayo.
Mulberry?
Mulberry.
Yeah. And then on the way out, we got a flat tire. We had to change the flat tire. So.
Tay.
Somewhere over there is a rental place.
Ikaw
Yeah.
yung nag-vlog tayo.
No, si Jan Jan. You know him, right?
Ito?
No. Oh, tato. Katong taga Kamigin.
Ito, magiging.
Oh, si Intong na.
Kasi mo, ninawag tayo.
I don't know. Kasi nag-park pa to.
Hindi rin mo sa sulat ko tayo.
You have a very nice home.
Thank you, tay. After wedding, hindi namin nag-stay.
Good.
Pero hindi rin mag-Dubai diri.
Oh, you renting it? Oh, I see.
Rentro to. Dito rin sa Sumbana. Pero wala may kabalo nga. Yan itong dito. Kaya namin nakabalo pag na namog yun. Pag kuyo na namog din.
It's a wedding surprise nga ilad, right?
Dili kita like kuan kanang God's rin gito kanang way.
Sila kato sila ni Jan Jan, nag-rent sila. Huwag yapon sila balungan sa iya ray auntie niya. Barato ra gituyo bagi.
Ay dili wala ni gituyo. Pero barato na siya tay.
Oh, yeah.
12,000 na sa ingani kaluag. Then
Oh, that's-
semi-furnished pag yun.
So why are you moving out?
Well, soon, pag mga, ano na mong house.
Ah, nanay niyo. Okay.
Kalumpia.
Naghanap ito mga subdivision na sila. Marag ko padulungan na kinag-city. Ano
Sige, man not that bad. But it's bad. nalapit siya. And then, develop na ba?
Yeah.
Anay,
Dahil nakilala.
naano siya paggawas. Paggawas na somewhere. Kaya alas 10.
Pwede ka sa
As the excuse,
Sige,
ha?
sige, go.
Oh, yeah, I already
Yeah.
introduced you. Ha? Ay, dalaga na nga. Ha? Oh, good. Una sila, magpakonsensya tayo. Ay, help me.
Kabalog, Bisaya, Ilocano.
No. Kanang isa kasabot, pero the rest. Jaja say langaw.
Langaw.
Langaw. Dig. Murag mga Amerikana nga kuan, engkanto. Di yun makasabot.
Ikaw na tayo.
Yeah, on yan ako. Christine, basta naman ka.
Madun ba kung
It's
state?
been a long time.
Maugos siguro.
Ando ka state? Where?
Sorry. Ito kasi kong sister na siya sa Juan. Janet
Chicago.
ba? No, nana siya sa Silingan, Illinois. Oh, Indiana.
Ah, Indiana. Okay.
You have to help AJ.
Okay. Excuse us, Tessa, ha?
Sure.
Okay, I'm here. What do you need?
Nothing. You're no help to me.
I'll help you. Come on. What do you need?
Oh, look. I served my
Panit. Panit yan.
I served mine.
John,
Ah. Later na. Kamusta una? Bisita sa Wisconsin. Christine,
Lagi.
it's only 2.5 to 3 hours.
Drive?
Yeah.
New York. Akong anak na sa Maine.
Sa Maine, anak? Really?
Last year lang siya naglarga.
We were there about 2 years ago. Nag-visit lang yun.
Dito.
Yeah.
Sige lang, magpalpalo lagi ko sa ko dito.
So, mag-migrate ka dito.
No, uy. Tourist na ako visa.
Surely they can petition you soon.
Soon. Pero tourist sa sako.
Okay.
Green card pa man siya.
Ah, okay. Christine, been a long time. You still haven't changed. MJ. Una dito. Sorry, baby. I tried. Huh? Con, ayaw ko baso for the girls, please. Disposable lang? Or bisa ko sa?
Ah, sila lang. Dong, disposable na pass.
Nagigarize ba eh?
Nagpa-clean ang auto ni Mami para balikan na dahil niya sa Wednesday.
Ang mga tag 57 years old,
Naman si Marife Lorena.
Pagod na siya. Marife.
Marife, have you ba?
Ay, actually, sige silang meet ni Grace. Pasilan o si Rose. Na siya sa FM station.
Here in there, yeah?
Oh, pero dito gyapon siya sa Bogo. Katong inang old house, wala naman iyang parents. Then sila ang nag-iboy.
Si Rose na din her
Si
there.
Rose na nagyan sa Xavier Heights.
Okay.
Dool ra mi og kuan. Dool ra mi og place.
Yeah, I
Ano
wish
lang,
I could see them.
oh, i-message siya kay usahay man gud. Wala na mo siya nakuan ganina. Kay usahay man gud nag-invite mi sa iya dili siya ga-join. Pero usahay ga-join pud siya.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy your dinner.
Sige, mura out kay lang Rose.
This is Ada.
Idiot.
This is Ada. Ate mo picture ba? Ate pakita. Ate pakita. Ate ba? Namin na-discover yan nga gwapo kay nga lalaki ba?
Ano ba dito sa picture ninyo, Dok, ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kailan ako ani. Sabi ko nga, kesa na itong isa ka buki itong nga lalaki, wala mong kaila. Siya man di ay. Nagkalo man good. Ano ba na nagkalo?
Ha? No, I'll let you guys go.
Nako.
I miss you so much, Edward.
Yeah.
I miss you. Hold on. Sure. Ah. Kajut lang ha. Tessa, Christine, this is my son, Rizmar. Okay. He's from Camiguin, born and raised in Camiguin. Okay. Maya's not here. What happened?
May? Kuhanin na ka? Kaingon na ka? Bye-bye. Hello, Tanda.
Hello. Hi, baby girl. O, bino katindog na, oh. Hi.
Born.
What's her name?
I'm Anna,
Anna.
the first.
Hello, Anna. Look at her.
Mutanaw ba siya kamerawan kay Nana siya o kamera sa iyang mama.
Oh?
Okay, every time mag-vlog
Yeah.
siya.
Sabihin mo, I'm your lolo. Basta Spanish
I'm your Lolo Juan.
Lolo.
Hi.
That's Lolo Juan Ona.
She looks so cute.
Kaya hindi ka dito tawa.
Wala siya.
Oo.
Wow, Lula Concon. Wow.
Guami.
Guami. Huh?
Guami.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have all been waiting for this moment. Our good friend Maya Portis. Oh, Maya. Oh, I love you so much. Okay, I'm gonna introduce you to my details so good. The commander-in-chief, that's Banji, Nords, Jackie, AJ, the only Borat ever to graduate college. So you know how that goes, right? So, and that's John and Mary Joy. This is my friend Maya from 1983. So, yeah. Oh, ay, nila sila di Tessa.
Hanggang kailan ka sa Manila?
22. Ikaw, kanito ka sa Manila?
Manila, I'll be leaving Cagayan on the 16th. Flying out on the 18th.
11. From the 24 pa dito. Ay, okay, Mercy 15. That's it. Mag-meet daw with Christy and John and mag-meet daw with
Oh, boy, ako tayo ng 16. Nakanipod mo.
And that's John.
18 ka mag-fly out to the US.
Ano sa ka dito sa 16?
Sa?
What time in your flight sa 16?
What time is our flight on the 18th? 10?
Which flight? Going to Manila or going
No, out. Manila to Japan.
9:30?
9:30.
Pwede pa 17.
Is it still ANA Airlines? ANA, ANA.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Can meet with... Yeah, I think you.
Are you also going out?
No, Manila lang.
Manila lang.
Kaya wala man mi na dahil sa Boracay. Nung dito na tamo kita sa
So you guys are having your own?
And then with
Mag-upa na ka with Christine, Boy
Christine and Mayon and Sir.
I hope we can have dinner there.
17. Are you available on the 17th?
Yeah, 17, that would be good.
And then si Muki, di ba nga siya for traveling pala?
Asa ka? Makati ka?
Either Taguig,
Oh my God, ang
Eastwood. Eastwood ko ayaw Eastwood.
Eastwood na lang.
If not Eastwood, Pasig.
17 sounds really good.
Come on, where are you staying there?
Oh boy, what's that hotel we're staying in Manila the last time? And Belmont, right by the airport. Belmont Hotel. Belmont Hotel.
Christine and go there.
The one that's over the crossway. Yeah.
Kasi ano, yung nakasigit sa may magpapagkasal.
SD, nak adto na me. Thank you. Hopefully we'll see you next year, okay?
Yes.
Say hi to the baby. Nakita man ako kanina.
Basi kami mo visit dito.
Yeah, well, thank you. Okay. We'll see you in Manila.
Dili na ako kaya mo.
Akong driver, kaulat ako.
Uy, ako ikahulat sa iyo.
Huh? Akong ex-driver. Duterte! Uy, uy, magbulag-bulag na ta kay magsayo pa to. Ato ka? Bangkada?
Kumonto kayo namin trabaho.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Di ka mo bangwa? We'll see you next. Yeah, we'll see you next week or Wednesday or something. Yeah.
Si Dudong, ito magkakamag-hipon.
Oh, wala na time. Basi magbalik. Milrena, sibat ako. Kaon dili.
Sa mga natin na. Kahapon niya, sinabi niya rin, bakit hindi ako nag-order kasi birthday naman niya. Bakit hindi ako nag-order?
Kinalimutan na ako.
Nice to meet you.
Risner,
Yeah, Resner o Resmar. Oh, salingan na sila. Thank you.
Driver ko uma. Ay kabala ka, medyo murag maluwag na ko next week. Anas na sa ilaing nga ex ng moabot na.
Agay.
Mauna na kami.
Bye, Jenny.
Si Lorraine sa Manila mag-inuta ka pagkakabay kung tipay kaya after lunch para ba na siya. Kang bagsakay na lang kami kuan. Kay George na niya aton man niya. Bye. Bye. Asa ka mo sakay? Si Josie. Bye, Ted.
Lan, nice to see you again, bye.
Jan. Bye, bye.
Oh, Tessa.
I see you.
I love you, man. Yeah. Say hello to Mayet, okay? Okay. Sukor ba to siya sa ako?
Yan naman.
Tungkol kang Glenda.
Why?
Hey, me and Glenda kind of fell apart, so Mayet blamed me.
Barkada man sila.
Loyalist beto ni Glenda. So, sige.
See you in America.
Yeah,
Oh,
well-
see you in Manila pa day.
Manila din. No.
Magkita ko mo.
Ugma to mi kamigin, then balik me Wednesday. We'll leave Cagayan on 16. And then fly out on the 18th. So,
Just pin down.
Okay.
Bye, ta.
thank you.
Bye, to. Ingat mo. God bless. Bye-bye,
Okay.
Tina.
Saan man ni?
Board sa mga event.
Oh. Be careful, my slippery.
Magkita mo sa Manila. Bukan mo si Christine.
Christine, where are you? Oh, here.
Okay, walang trabaho sa...
Tagal na rin siya hindi natin sa...
Apilo na ako si Pinang.
Dili ka masakay, May?
Uban Jusin.
Ah, okay.
Banta. Hindi ako nagdala
Ha?
ako dapit.
Ah, kan Josie?
Kamal Berlin na parking.
Musakay ko kan Josie. Kung pasakyan ko.
Agrali sir.
Kulan. Okay na?
Lorena!
Regards to your labi-dabi na. To
Yeah.
your daughters, and to your eldest and the second boy. Basta, 2 boys and
So happy to see you.
5 in all. You're
Ano yung tawagan
blessed.
talaga ng
You're
anak ko
blessed
dito?
you have kids.
Isa tawaras ng
Yeah.
man daw.
I lost mine.
Oh.
Mga 10.
Tagwanaw naman mo no. Oh, kamo na ni Alan mag ano.
Makanagpoint. Tagwanaw man sa Diyos ko.
Love you, Epper.
Magbubanta.
Oh, banta.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you. Christine, bye-bye. Bye.
Ay, sa pali ako barkada nga. I feel betrayed.
The Korean boy.
Bye again.
Bye, Tess.
Ay, pareho din.
Kung sabay ka.
Pero wala ko kapit na yung party man.
Okay.
Ako event.
Ah.
Ay, one sila ka ng indoor swing bitaw. Ay, indoor golf bitaw. Sa uptown, swing, something. Nadaot pa yung...
Kanaon ako kung nadaot. Kasan siya bunga, pero daot.
Ay, nadaot.
Ito na takakaon.
Balik na rin tayo.
Pero kung imo siyang isplit,
Maylen. Balik daw mi dito sa
There's a sticker in the
Balik
States.
ni Idot.
magkota.
Ko niya last time.
Oh, sige. Kano sa man? Namang
There's a sticker in the state that says trucks are for chicks.
Oh, ba truck mong gudi no?
Oh.
Sa US.
Bye, Mel. Ato na ta.
Oops. Wala akong kabalo kung to. Ay sa kinong isa. Nagabukid yan akong auto.
Bye. Bye bye.